I am here 300 miles out of Paris in search of great champagnes for Lebua Hotel. The idea is to bring the best and boutique champagnes to our customers. A champagne which has got the character, a champagne which has the body, and a champagne which has got the flair. But I don't do this alone. I have my very good friend Scott Eddy, who is helping me in the quest of searching a great champagne. Hi Scott, how are you?
Buddy?
Hey, how are you? First what we are going to do is spray some champagne, have some fun.
There you go.
And then we look at the grape.
This is the Deepak I know.
This is the experience Lebua is known of.
Exactly.
So let's try and then we go and see the grapes. Oh my God, this is pure gold. And in end of October, the grapes are standing like this. It's completely unbelievable. I feel like kissing it. This is, oh, I'm in love. Such a nice harvest this year. Champagne area is producing something maybe to welcome Lebua. Cheers. Wow! So I'll let you try this. Cheers. The best quality grapes are going in these boutique champagne area because they're very proud of their culture, their heritage and their production.
I tell you what, why don't we take this down to the vineyard?
Okay, done. This is all hand done, no machine. So what we are drinking is pure gold.
I might have platinum.
You are platinum, Scott. You know, when I look at this, I think about 2 or 3 things. Rare, exclusive, high quality.
It's all about how the customer feels, their state of mind when they walk in the hotel or they walk in the vineyard or they drink something nice.
Forget about these commercial brands and look at something which is offering something surreal. Can you believe it? I have to pinch myself twice to realize that I'm here. Luxury is getting excited and having and sharing this share. Being happy.
That's it.
Warm welcome at Champagne de Talmont in Damery.
And why we call it Talmont?
Well, that's the brand name of the house, which has been founded in 1912.
Oh, wow.
Right here where you guys stay. The tiny little spot we have here to show the 3 grape varieties we're using. Pinot Noir, Chardonnay and Meunier. This little vineyard here is being run biodynamically.
So we're having a biodynamic wine. It's very difficult to create a biodynamic champagne.
Absolutely.
And there are not many champagne houses in the world which creates biodynamic. Can I say something in the lighter side? I've never tried such a nice, such a smooth rosé.
It's a very, very clean,
Very clean.
easy rosé.
Thank you very much to give me the opportunity to introduce you to our champagne house. It's called Comte de Dampierre. Our range is divided in 3 parts. And of course, our prestige cuvées. That's the champagne Audouin de Dampierre always said is only reserved to his family. These wines are all twined like it has been done in the 18th century.
I'm going to start with this because I always wanted to have Blanc de Noir. So may I?
Of course.
Hey Scott, hi. How are you,
Hey,
buddy?
buddy.
Look at the view.
Oh man, this is great. What a way to end the trip, huh?
Yeah.
So we're here visiting properties, tasting champagne every day. Tell me about what's coming up. Tell me about the bar.
This bar is 200 square meter bar.
Wow.
It's all in pink. And what we're doing is the focus is on rosé and the focus is on vintage champagnes, something out of the world like this one. So we are getting something people have only read about it.
Right.
We are bringing it to the reality.
When is it opening?
First week of February.
Oh, nice. Perfect time of year in Bangkok.
2019, yeah.
Good
Cheers.
luck,
Thank you.
and I'll see you there.